Some people love mornings. They wake up early, smile, and feel ready for the day. Other people hate mornings. They stay in bed, press the alarm again and again, and say, 5 more minutes. Which one are you? A morning person or a night owl? Today, we meet Anna and Mark, two neighbors with very different mornings. Anna wakes up at 6 o'clock. She drinks water. She does 10 minutes of exercise. She eats bread, fruit, and tea. She writes her plan for the day. At work, Anna feels calm and ready. She says, "Good morning," with a smile. Mark is different. He wakes up late. He presses his alarm 3 times. He drinks only coffee. He eats no breakfast. He runs to the bus and says, "Oh no, I am late again." At work, he feels tired. He makes mistakes. He says mornings are terrible. One day, Anna meets Mark in the hall. She smiles. She says, "Good morning, Mark." Mark yawns. He says, "Morning? For me, it is still night." Anna laughs. She says, "Maybe mornings can be good. I wake up early. I eat well. I write my plan." Mark says, "That is too hard for me." Anna says, "Just try it for 1 week. You may feel different." Mark decides to try. Day 1, he wakes up early, but he is sleepy. Day 3, he feels a little better. Day 5, he feels strong. Day 7, he is surprised. He is not late. He smiles. At work, his boss says, "Great job, Mark." Mark feels new energy. He says, "Maybe Anna is right. Morning is not my enemy." Next week, Anna meets Mark again. He is smiling. He says, "Anna, I wake up early now. I eat fruit. I feel great. Thank you." Anna is happy. She says, "See, you are a morning person now." Mark says, "Yes, but my cat is angry. At 6 o'clock, I am ready to play, but the cat just wants to sleep." Anna laughs. She says, "Well, maybe your cat is a night owl." Mark laughs too. Now mornings are funny, not terrible. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.